We will try to understand how transpiration helps in transportation of water from roots to leaves. Let's see, let's suppose that water molecules are present here in the leaves, right? Some water molecules are present in the stem also here, and some are present in the root. So, water molecules here in the stem and in the root also. We are familiar with the phenomena of transpiration that leaves they loses water. So leaves will lose water in the form of vapors. So this water will go outside the leaves because of transpiration. So here, let's say three molecules have left the leaves and one is present here. So we can say that here scarcity of water is there. Amount of water has reduced, and we know that water moves from its higher concentration to lower concentration. If we compare water in the leaf area with the water in the stem area has more water. There are four dots in the leaf, only one dot is there. So water will move from its higher concentration to its lower concentration, right? It will move here, right? Now we will do the comparison between stem area and root area with respect to the water present in them. You can see in root area more water is present. You have 4 drops of water. In stem only 2 drops of water are there. So here from root also water will move upward because water moves from its higher concentration to lower concentration. Here in the stem concentration is less. Yes, and in the roots concentration is more. Here, right? So this will move your concentration, water will rise up, yes or no? Now transpiration during daytime is a continuous process. This water will be lost. Again more water in stem, less water in leaf. So this water will move upward, and again the root has more water as compared to stem, so water will move here. And this evaporation, we know that transpiration causes rain. So this will again enter into this, the soil. Okay? Again, it will lose water. Less water in leaves, more water in stem. So water will move upward like this. Here less water in stem, more water in roots. Water will move from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. Same. Now it will keep on losing water because it is doing transpiration. Water will keep on moving up in the upward direction like this. So here you can see how transpiration is helping in transportation of water. Transpiration creates a pull, a suction pull by creating scarcity of water in leaves that causes movement of water from stem to leaves, right? Then in the stem scarcity of water is created, less water is present in stem, so that will force water present in the roots because in roots more water is present, here not at present. Like this will be absorbed by, if this is absorbed by the roots, then more water is present. Yes, here less in the stem, less water is present, and water move from its higher concentration to its lower concentration. So that's how transpiration help in movement of water up the plant tissue. So this is a basic concept, and this whole phenomena is known as transpiration pull because transpiration is pulling the water in the upward direction. Thank you.